Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we have got a 1983 Porsche 928S. This casting is by Hotwheels and is new for 2025. And I think this is one of the only few Porsche sports cars which came with front engine rather than rear or mid engine configuration. That's why it looks very different. So let's open it up and see how does it look. So here's the Porsche 928S out of its box. And first thing first, it looks to have some nice details. The red paint looks really good, especially with the Porsche written on the side. Very classic 80s. I do like the wheels. They do look nice here. They kind of look like those wheels, the older ones from 80s. They were like multi-spoke but thick in the middle kind of thing. So they don't look bad here. Let's move to the front. So front, you've got those nice nice headlamps, and it's very rarely that Hot Wheels does like headlamps like this. They normally have the painted ones. This is the acrylic ones. You also got the Porsche badge. You don't get the windshield wipers, but you do get the nozzles for the windshield fluid. Anyway, down here you can again see lights there. Even the lower bumper is slightly detailed, and from the corner you can see turn indicators on both the sides which are detailed. So good details up front. You can also see both the mirrors. Now moving to the driver's side, as before, you can see this shape of the bumper. Again, it's slightly modified here, or has a not arrow but a kit here, and on the side you have Hot Wheels written here. This car had a very different shape from other Porsches, so that's why you will see this coupe-ish kind of roof here going down and the small window. Also from the side you can see the turn indicator on the rear is also detailed, painted, and there's a small spoiler too. Now coming to the back, let me tilt it a bit so you can see Porsche embossed on the trunk there. You have the tail lamps again in the acrylic material, red base, place for number plate, and the spoiler we talked about. Big rear glass, again that coupe line. This is how the passenger side looks almost identical. Did I miss the fuel filler somewhere? I don't think so. Maybe Hot Wheels did. Yeah, but from this angle you can see the spotty line. Looks really good. Now something really nice here, if you look up front, it has a sunroof which is in the open position, so you can see inside. It has got tan interior, and if you look closely, it looks like the passenger seat has sunglasses in it. So some nice little touch here and there, and I think overall it looks really good. I'm glad Hot Wheels did this. It will go really nice with other Porsches. So let me know what you think about this. Do you like it? Do you have something which I missed? Yeah, please let me know. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.